Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to sign in to your Truist Online Banking account quick and secure in 2025. Open your browser and go to the Truist Online Banking homepage. Click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your user ID and password in the login fields. Double check that everything is correct. Then click Login. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll get a code sent to your phone or email. Enter it to continue. Once you're in, you can view your balance, recent transactions, and transfer funds easily. If you ever forget your password, click Forgot Password under the login box and follow the recovery steps. And that's it. You're signed in to your Truist online banking account. Simple, fast, and ready to manage your money in 2025.